हरिः कर्ता।
Now let's look into the third measure of central tendency. That's our mode. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently in data set. So the mode is the value that occurs most frequently in a data set. It is the value that appears it's the value that appears with the highest frequency. Let's take the following example. So here we have the combined IQ scores for classes A and B. That's the example we have been using it from our beginning of this descriptive statistics course. So here you have the total 26 students IQ scores from 80, 87, 89. So if you look into this, as per the definition of mode, what could be the mode of this data set? The mode of this data set, if I see, so 109 is repeating 3 times, so 109 is a mode. A lot, so 109 is the mode of my data set. So that's not it. So if you think so that's it, the mode means that's it. By the way, it's possible to have more than one mode. So a data set can have more a data set can have more than one mode, such as one mode is known as unimodal, two modes is known as bimodal, or more than two modes are known as multimodal. The mode is often used for categorical or discrete data where values are grouped into categories. So let's take a quick example of mode, and then we will jump into the we will look into the mode in detail. So the mode is here. Any data that I can take here from maybe I'll take the same scores TF where is TFET MED my scores. So let me create a one more. So mean median is done. I'll say sorry, yeah, DFMED sorted, and then mode, and okay, you got the four modes. One is 68, second mode is 72, 76, and 87. That's what the mode I got for here. Okay.